Hi, it's George again at Fifth Wheel. Today we're going to run through the slide out on our Celtic Rambler fifth wheel. So follow me in and we'll show you the switches. As you walk into the Celtic Rambler, on the right hand side here we have the control panels and switches for everything inside the van. Here in the middle, the white switch is the slide out switch. So as we push and hold to send it out, and the same to bring it back in. Inside on the Celtic Rambler, just a few things to look out for before we bring the slide out in. We want to make sure both side windows are closed. Also want to make sure your oven or your kitchen drawers are closed and out of the way, and also any overhead cupboards are out of the way too. Also just be wary, any rugs or carpets down on the floor, bring those up so they're out of the way and it's got nothing to clash as it comes in. On the outside of the Celtic Rambler, before we close the slide out, we just need to make sure this side lock is closed to prevent this from clashing on the side of the slide out as it comes in.